number 7. Exercise, exercise. Everybody come and do your exercise. I don't own the rights to that tune that I just sang so poorly. On the keto plan, believe it or not, you will lose weight even if you don't exercise. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't exercise. You definitely should. Get up off the couch, take a walk outside, tune into some YouTube videos that emphasize exercising in your home if you have worries about COVID contamination. There are a great many options available to all of us which encourage exercise, and as Michelle Obama used to say, get moving. So exercise, do it with joy. Remember, no pain, no gain. Yeah, it's true.